Microsoft Outlook just got a big update, and it's packed with fresh, time-saving features for Windows users. In this video, we'll go over everything new in Outlook, including new Copilot AI tools, templates, and account options you'll love. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. New File tab. Starting with the November 2025 update, Outlook has introduced a dedicated File tab right next to the Home section. This makes it super easy to access familiar commands like print, manage accounts, and other quick settings, all in one convenient place. No more digging through menus to find what you need. Create and save email templates. The second major update is the ability to create and save email templates directly inside Outlook. Now, when you're writing an email, just open the File tab, click Save as Template, and boom, you can reuse your messages anytime. To use a saved one, just go to New Email from Template, perfect for businesses, customer support, or anyone who sends similar emails often. Account nicknames. Moving back to the October 2025 update, you can now nickname your accounts. Go into Settings and rename them, for example, Work, Personal, or Client Projects. It's a small feature, but it makes managing multiple inboxes so much clearer. Copilot Email Summaries. Next up, one of the most exciting features, Copilot can now summarize long email threads with a single click. If you get lengthy back-and-forth emails, Outlook's AI Copilot gives you a short summary so you can quickly understand what's going on, no more scrolling for minutes. This feature is rolling out to more users now, so check if it's available in your version. Multi-attachment drag and drop. Outlook now supports drag and drop for multiple attachments. Just use Ctrl+Click to select several files and drop them into your email draft. It's faster, simpler, and a real time saver when sending multiple documents or images. Easier iCloud setup. And for all Apple users, setting up your iCloud account is now smoother than ever. Simply sign in using your Apple ID, and Outlook will automatically handle the authentication process. No more complicated setup steps, it just works. So that's everything new in Outlook for October and November 2025, from smarter AI summaries to time-saving templates and easier file management. Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated on the latest Microsoft updates.